Good morning everyone. Today I am going to tell about the topic discrete Fourier transform DFT, problems on DFT. Discrete Fourier transform. Today explaining Telugu only because understanding very easily. DFT and a discrete Fourier transform. You know that discrete time signal x of n. Suppose discrete time signal x of n. This is a discrete time signal. DFT of this signal is DFT, discrete Fourier transform of x of n is x of k. In this DFT and some change and x of n is time signal. It is the time domain signal. DFT means frequency domain. It is a Fourier transform technique after time signal of x of n. So it is a frequency domain technique. అసలు ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ డొమైన్ టెక్నిక్ ఎందుకు యూజ్ చేస్తామంటే మనం ఏదైనా సిగ్నల్ని అనలైజ్ చేయాలంటే ఈజీగా అండర్స్టాండ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. కాబట్టి ఫోరియర్ ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ డొమైన్లో మనం అనలైజ్ చేస్తాం. సో ఎక్స్ ఆఫ్ అనేది డిస్క్రీట్ టైం సిగ్నల్ అయితే ఇది డిఎఫ్టీ అనేది ఎగ్జామ్లో వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. కంపల్సరీ ఒక క్వశ్చన్ అంటే కన్ఫామ్ వచ్చింది దీంట్లోంచి. డిఎఫ్టీ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎన్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎక్స్ ఆఫ్ కే. This is the time domain. It is a frequency domain change. This is the discrete Fourier transform. X of n equal to x of k equal to form expression వచ్చేసి sigma n equal to 0 to n minus 1 x of n e power minus j 2 pi by n into kn. Here n equal to 0 to n minus finite length, small n equal to 0 to n minus finite length, k also 0 to n minus 1, n equal to 0 to n minus 1, k equal to 0 to n minus 1. Here capital N is n point DFT, find out something. N equal to sequence of discrete time signal. Coming to the problems on DFT, for example, in exams, compute 3-point DFT of x of n. Suppose we consider x of n equal to 0, 1, 1. EL 3-point DFT in exams. Exam లో అడుగుతారు 3-point DFT అడగవచ్చు, 8-point DFT, 2-point DFT ఏదైనా అడగవచ్చు. ఎగ్జామ్లో ఎక్కువ శాతం 3-point DFT, 8-point DFT కంపల్సరీ అడుగుతారు. ఇయర్ 3-point DFT means n equal to 3. 3-point means n equal to 3. Capital N equal to 3. Here this is a discrete time signal. ఇది discrete time signal. In this 0 value, 1 value, 2 value. The discrete time signal 0 to n minus 1 kada. 0 to n minus 1. Here n minus 1 equal to 2. Here n minus 1 equal to, therefore n equal to 2 plus 1, that equal 3. So in exams giving 3-point DFT. Here n equal to 3. N equal to 3. From definition of the DFT, x of k equal to sigma n equal to 0 to n minus 1 x of n e power minus j 2 pi by n to kn. We find out 3-point DFT. Here given that n equal to 3. From equation number 2, x of k equal to, this is a DFT of x of n. X of k equal to sigma n equal to 0 to n minus 1 here n equal to 3. So sigma n equal to 0 to 3 minus 1 x of n e power minus j 2 pi by n equal to 3 k n. Here k equal to 0 to n minus 1, that equal to 0 to 3. Sorry, 0 to 2. N equal to 0 to n minus 1, that equal to also 0 to 2. First we write, in this expression we write x of 0 equal to 0, x of 1 equal to 1, x of 2 equal to 1. Here x of k equal to sigma. First of all, you expand the expression n equal 0 to 2. Expand the expression. So sigma n equal to 0 to 2 x of n e power minus j 2 pi by 3 to kn. You expand this expression, x of k equal to x of 0 e power minus j 2 pi by 3 k into n equal to 0 in place. After that expand x of 1 e power minus j 2 pi by 3 k into here n place we substitute 1. Next తర్వాత ఏంటంటే 0 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసాం, 1 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్, ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ 2 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి. x of 2 e power minus j 2 pi by 3 k into 2. That's it. The finite length is 0 to n 2 only. So 0 to 2. Therefore x of 0, this value is equal to e power 0. 0 into something 0, e power 0 plus x of 1 e power j 2 pi by 3 into k plus x of 2 e power minus 2 into 2 4 minus j 4 pi by 3 into k. That's it. X of k. In this expression we substitute n value 0 to 2. Also substitute k value. This is the final result of the DFT of the signal. So substitute 0 1 2, 0 to 2 substitute 0 1 2. First substitute k equal to 0, then x of 0 equal to x of 0 in this expression. Substitute k equal to 0 in this equation number 3. Equation number 3, sub 0 e power 0 plus x of 1 e power minus j 2 pi by 3 into k equal to 0. Substitute k value 0. Then x of 2 e power minus j 2 pi by 3 to k equal to k 0. Therefore x of 0 e power 0 means 1 plus x of 1 e power 0 into something 0 e power 0 plus x of 2 e power 0. Therefore x of 0 x of 1 e power 0 into 1 plus x of 2 e power 0 1. Therefore x of 0 plus x of 1 plus x of 2 and x of 2. We know that x of 0 is 0, x of 1 is 1, x of 2 is 1, therefore 2. Therefore x of 0 value is, capital X of 0 value is 2. Next we find out x of 0. We find out k equal to 1. We substitute k equal to 1 value. Substituting k equal to 1. Therefore x of 1 equal to, in this equation, x of 0 e power 0 plus x of 1 e power minus j 2 pi by 3 into k equal to here 1 into 1 plus x of 2 e power minus j 4 pi by 3 into k equal to 1. Therefore x of 1 equal to this value equal to x of 0, small x of 0 plus x of 1 e power minus j 2 pi by 3 plus x of 2 e power minus j 4 pi by 3. Here x of 0 is 0 plus x of 1 means 1 to 1 into e power minus j 2 pi by 3 plus x of 2 value is 1 into e power minus j 4 pi by 3. From the trigonometric expression e power minus j theta equal to cos theta minus j sin theta, we know that you expand this e power minus j 2 pi by 3, e power minus j 4 pi 3. These values are e power minus j 2 pi by 3 equal to cos of 2 pi by 3 minus j sin 2 pi by 3, and e power minus j 2 pi by 3 equal to 4 pi by 3 equal to cos 4 pi by 3 minus j sin 4 pi by 3. ఈ సబ్స్టిట్యూటింగ్ ఈస్ వాల్యూస్ వీఆర్ యూజింగ్ మన క్యాల్సి యూజ్ చేసుకుని రేడియన్స్ లో పెట్టుకొని కాస్ 2 pi by 3 sin 2 pi by 3 వాల్యూస్ అప్లై చూసుకుంటే కాస్ 2 pi by 3 వాల్యూ వచ్చేసి మైనస్ 0.5 sin 2 pi by 3 వచ్చేసి minus of j 0.866. in this cos 4 pi by 3 values వచ్చి minus 0.5 minus j into sin 4 pi by 3 value వచ్చేసి minus of 0.866, that equals 0.5 plus j 0.866. therefore x of 1 value equal to minus 0.5 minus j 0.866 plus 0.5 plus j 0.866. This is the x of 1. Simplification, this value 0.5 cancel, x of 1 0.86 minus 0.86 equal to 0. Cancel equal to 0. This value equal to 0. Therefore we find out, similarly we find out x of 0, find out x of 0 చేసాం, x of 1 వచ్చింది. we find out x of 2 value is equal something, some value. so finally therefore the x of k value, this is a x of capital X value, the DFT of the x of n value is some sequence that equal to x of 1 comma x of 2 comma x of 3. This is the discrete Fourier transform of the x of n signal. Thank you, and please subscribe the channel and share the video.